The Working Committee of Kuki Civil Society Organizations has launched an indefinite economic blockade on National Highway No. 2 from 7 a.m. today in response to ongoing band imposed by Foothill's NAGA Coordination Committee on Kuki people in NAGA inhabited areas of Manipur. Earlier, in a press note issued on August 6th, the Working Committee of Kuki Civil Society Organizations had given a 36-hour ultimatum to revoke the restrictions placed on Kuki-Zo movement between Kangpokpi and Churchandpur. It had warned to launch a total blockade on National Highway No. 2 from August 8 onwards if the demands are not fulfilled within the 36-hour ultimatum. Meanwhile, the ongoing economic blockade has caused immense inconveniences to vehicles, especially those carrying essential items. But the supporters checked trucks and disallowed from proceeding further. It may be mentioned that the Foothills NAGA Coordination Committee FNCC has been protesting against the forced construction of German Tiger Road by Kuki militants groups by enforcing upon NAGA inhabited areas. FNCC has been restricting movement of Kuki along roads that pass through NAGA villages and areas.